Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Charu Chaurasia, and in this video I am going to share two designs of DIY Toran which can be used for Diwali decoration. Now let's get started. So first of all, take a square bangle. If you don't have square, you can use circle also, and wrap it with the satin ribbon. Now take some golden gota and wrap it over the bangle. Do the same with other bangles also. So here I have 13 bangles. I am keeping 4 of them aside and arranging 9 bangles in a pattern. You can choose the number of bangles according to the size of your door. Now take a small piece of gota and tie the bangles in your chosen order. Make sure to knot it tightly. After all the bangles are tied properly, take this type of gota flowers. I have taken of 2 types which I will be using alternately. Stick the flowers properly on the joints of these bangles. Now take pom-poms and white pearl beads to stick at the middle of these flowers. Now take different types of beads of your choice. Take a strong thread and start making a pattern of your choice. I am using white pearl bead and golden beads in a pattern of 2 golden and 4 white. If you have extra bangle, you can also use it in this pattern. So now our tassels are ready and it's time to tie them on the ends of our toran. Tie the tassel tightly on the last bangle of our toran and cut the excess thread. Do the same with the other end of our toran. Now take these types of rings and tie them at both the ends of our toran by making a loop of gota. Here our first DIY toran is ready. Let's move on to the second one. So for this, take a hard sheet or cardboard sheet and take 2 sides of circles, one big and one small, and trace them on the sheet by making a design of smaller circle inside the bigger circle. Decide the number of circles according to the size of your dough. Cut out all the circles carefully. Take any colored sheet of your choice and cover all the circles by it properly. If you don't want to use paper, you can use cloth or paint also. After all the circles are covered, take a silver gota and wrap it around the circle by making a pattern. Make this pattern on half of the total number of your circles. Now for other half circles, take a silver chain and stick it on the borders of both the inner and outer circles. After this, take 3 rhombus shaped mirrors and stick it on the circle like this. So here both of our designs are ready. Now for the band of our toran, take a white ribbon and cut it out according to the size of your door. Make sure to cut a little bit extra. Arrange both designs of the circles alternately and stick it on the ribbon. For filling the gap between two circles, we will make tissue paper flowers. For that, you have to take tissue paper and cut 1/4 of it. Now divide the tissue paper in 3 equal parts like this. Divide the strip in 3 equal squares. Now trim the corners of the square to make it like a circle. Staple the center. Crumble the circle for a nice texture. Then one by one peel all the layers of the circle and crumble it in between to make a flower. Open it a little bit and adjust it according to your choice. And the flower is ready. Stick one flower in the gap between two circles. And it will look something like this. Again, take these rings, make a loop from the extra ribbon and staple it. And the second toran is also ready. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video, so please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.